Hi guys! Today I'm going to read you the story that was chosen by Nayana yesterday, and she chose Peace at Last. This is the story that we did for our class assembly and we know it really, really well. So I think this is the perfect first book for our story time. Let's go. Peace at Last. The hour was late. Mr. Bear was tired, Mrs. Bear was tired, and Baby Bear was tired. So they all went to bed. Mrs. Bear fell asleep, but Mr. Bear didn't. Can you remember why Mr. Bear didn't fall asleep? What was Mummy Bear doing? Mrs. Bear began to snore. Snore, said Mrs. Bear. Oh no, said Daddy Bear. I can't stand this. So he got up and went to Baby Bear's room. You're right. Baby Bear was not asleep either. He was lying in his bed pretending to be an aeroplane. Meow, meow, went Baby Bear. Oh no, said Daddy Bear. I can't stand this. So he got up and went to sleep in the living room. Tick, tock, went the clock. Oh no, said Daddy Bear. I can't stand this. So he got up and went to sleep in the kitchen. Drip, 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 went the kitchen tap. Went the fridge. Oh no, said Daddy Bear. I can't stand this. So he got up and went to sleep in the garden. There were lots of noises outside in the garden. Twit-woo, went the owl. Twit-woo. Snuffle, 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 went the hedgehog. Meow, meow, went the cats who were fighting on the wall. Oh no, said Daddy Bear. I can't stand this. So he got up and went to sleep in the car. It was cold in the car and uncomfortable, but Mr. Bear was so tired that he didn't notice. Just as he was falling asleep, he heard the birds. Tweet, 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 tweet. And suddenly the sun went shine, shine, shine. Oh no, said Daddy Bear. I can't stand this. So he got up and went back to sleep in the house. In the house, Baby Bear had fallen asleep and Mummy Bear had stopped snoring. Ah, said Daddy Bear. Peace at last. But then, ring! Went the alarm clock. Good morning, said Mummy Bear. Did you sleep well? Oh, said Daddy Bear. And there's Baby Bear running in the morning, giving Daddy Bear a big hug. Can you remember that story, Year 1 Blue? We loved that one, didn't we? Tomorrow, there'll be another story for you. So I'll see you soon.